Enrique, what's going on right now in Blue Power?
Let's see what's going on. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Very interesting chart that we have right there. Minus 9% when we're recording the video. What is going on? Very good question. So you can answer that in the comments below as usual. Let's learn all together about this company and trading in general. We have the latest updates section. Very interesting information. Fact of the day is an interesting one. Susquehanna has maintained a neutral rating on Blue Power Inc. and raised the price target to $2.50 per share from a previous target of $2. Interesting part is today the stock is trading around this exact number, $2.50 per share. What do you think about that, Alvaro?
They are fortune tellers, definitely. So obviously,
Yeah,
that's interesting fact. It's like okay, it's gonna go up to 50, and right now it's trading 250 anyway. So the other interesting piece of news that we have is from NT Newswire, and Rick is gonna tell us all about it. But here you have the headline. Blue Power secures 1.66 billion U.S. Energy Department loan guarantee for hydrogen projects.
Yeah, let's go with that right there. You can see on Thursday they finalized this $1.66 billion loan guarantee from the US Department of Energy to support its hydrogen production expansion. This loan will allow up to 6 projects producing low carbon hydrogen, with the first plant in Graham, Texas, benefiting from the funds, the company said. This is, the key information that we have from MT Newswires, and I have more information right here that I researched. If you have more about it, please let us know in the comments below. And according to this information, also the current plant, the current hydrogen generation of Plug Power network has a liquid hydrogen production of approximately 45 tons per day. And this loan guarantee represents a significant milestone in the expansion of domestic hydrogen production capabilities and the advancement of the clean energy economy in the United States. Of course, we are not experts in this, so this is the news. This is the information, and those who are more capable in this sector or have the extra information about this company will know if this is good or bad. What we can see is the reaction of the market today, minus 9%, at least when we're recording the video. So it started to go a little bit lower. The cat behind you, Alvaro, wants to say something.
I think she wants food, but anyway, she's gonna have to wait. The thing here is like we have the earnings very very soon, and actually we have an estimate of minus 0.23, which the goods are new. We're talking about like very good news in that sense, but we are still in losses. And here we have the net income, and that's important. That's one of the biggest problems with Blue Power over the last the whole since January 2021, this incredible data we've seen, we experienced. And look at the net income every quarter. This is like a very dramatic situation, especially in the quarter of December 2023, minus 642 million of net income. That's huge. At the end of the day, investors pay the bill. I always say that, because it is, this is the reality. It's very difficult to see a stock rebounding if you see negative numbers in the net income.
Very interesting information right there also. Let's go with the forecast, talking about all this. We have right there, this price target of 19 analysts offering 1-year price forecast for Black Power Inc. The maximum estimate, $5. That would be an uptrend from the current point of more than 100%. The average, very interesting, is around this level, 2.76, an average price to the upper part of 11%. And the minimum, 1.40, so $1 below, more or less around this number, minus 43%. Very interesting, this forecast, having into account that we have 19 analysts. In other stocks we have only 5, 6. So 19 is a better number in that case to have more information. So guys, I want to know your forecast in the comments below.
Definitely, there is interest, from the institutional side. That's good, that's important. You won't see a stocks rebounding like making new highs every time. They don't have the support from this, from institutions, bank institutions and so on. But the thing here is like, look at the EPS forecast and revenue. We're talking about yearly forecast, and the thing here is like 2024, very similar to 2023. The estimate, the negative numbers are gonna improve a little bit. By 2025, they're gonna improve again a little bit, so obviously these numbers is kind of optimistic, but there is a long way to go into this, positive net income. By 2027, they're gonna be still in losses. So we had to assess this information, if it's a good opportunity to buy the stock, or maybe if it's best to wait, for the best moment, which is just before the big gain, to make positive net income.
So, guys, how do you see this stock? How do you see the forecast, the news, the financials, all the situation with the technical side? Let's go with the chart right there and let us know in the comments your opinion about all of this because we are happy to learn all together here in Trading HT, honest traders. And it's a very interesting from the perspective. If we go to the monthly time frame, for instance, or even the day, the weekly, but you can see right there this white line acting in the past as a support level. You have right there multiple bounces. It got broken out if we drew it like this. Remember, we're using the logarithmic scale. But if we take into account a different one, it was also broken out and maybe retested. Let us know if you have different ideas right there. And in the weekly time frame, even there we can see a very similar projection of those lines. So the key question is, do you think the breakout of that level has already occurred right here or at different levels and the price started to to get this kind of rejection multiple times because they can't reach higher prices, or do you think like this was kind of a false breakout and these levels have been breached to the lower side, but we could see higher prices again? As usual, both directions are completely possible, or maybe a different scenario. Remember, in trading everything is possible, and we want to know your honest opinion about Blue Power right now in this critical moment. Like the average forecast is around this level from those Wall Street analysts, $2.50, a very good number to start to think where is this stock heading.
Look at the, the seasonals that we have right here of this stock. And actually, let's draw a line, the data between 2017 till today. And you can clearly see right here, 2020 it was completely insane. And actually, I remember not only Blue Power, but any stock, with negative numbers. You could see them going up like crazy, and that was completely unexpected. But the reality in this stock is like we only have a few positive years apart from that one, 2019. Obviously, it all started right there just before, and in 2017, we have a 95%. The rest of the years, 7%, minus 12, minus 48, minus 53, minus everything is negative. That's the problem with this stock right now.
Yeah, it's a very interesting information right there. Also, we really enjoyed that section because you can see the year-to-date perspective from all the years in the same chart. So that gives you a good perspective of what you can expect or try to guess following years. The past price action doesn't mean like it will repeat again, but you can gather information from there because. From what I know now, quantum computing isn't yet developed, as we saw in other videos. So we can't travel to the future. At least in Trading HT, we can't yet. If we could, we wouldn't tell you otherwise, so it doesn't matter.
But we can tell you to subscribe to Trading ST to watch more content like this.
Let's go. Thank you very much. We really appreciate all the feedback, all the likes, all the comments below about the companies, about improvements that we can apply in this channel. Remember, we are Trading HT community. You form part of this also. Honest traders. Let's go. Have a nice weekend. Take care. We love you.